Wow, this is the second time I have opened the box to be disappointed. Hey guys, it's JaaackJack and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I have a Grove collaborative haul for you guys. So I'm gonna show you guys what I picked up in my most recent order. You're gonna see a lot of repeats in my order, but also I really like trying out new products from the Grove collaborative website. If you guys haven't seen any of my recent videos featuring Grove collaborative, it's not sponsored or anything, but it's been something I've been trying out for the past several months. They have a subscription service, well, sort of like a membership, there you go. They have like a membership plan where you pay $19.99 a year, so $20 a year, and you get VIP access to exclusive deals, discounts, and products, and you also get free shipping and returns as well. And what's cool, you can utilize this feature without being a VIP member, but they also have an auto ship feature, so every like month or every couple months, however you like, you can get the same products reshipped to you. So on Grove Collaborative, they have cleaning supplies, they have cleaning supplies, they have beauty and skincare, they have things for your pet, household things, straws, Ziploc bags, paper towels, all that sort of stuff. They have feminine care on there, intimate care. They've got a whole range of products, and they're all natural, they're all cruelty-free, they're all eco-friendly, and they've just put out a statement that they are using like less plastic with their products or something like that. So they're a brand that is very conscious of the environment and the ecosystem. I like using them because they have brands that I'm already familiar with, that I already like using, so I just think it's easy and convenient to have this auto ship dealio going on where you can add things or take things out depending on how quickly or slow you're going through your cleaning supplies. And I like to try out some of the other products as well. So I'm actually thinking, let me know if you guys would like to see this. Next week, I'm thinking of filming a like sit down review of past products that I've received in my Grove collaborative orders and giving you guys my reviews, because I do like trying a lot of new products from the website. I'm always going through and seeing like what haven't I tried yet, and so I like trying out these new products, but I realize I haven't really given you guys a follow-up or a review on those specific products. So if you guys would like to see that, let me know in the comments below, because I will film that next week for you guys. But today I'm just going to show you what is in my order. Right off the bat, their box is not their standard Grove collaborative box. Normally they have their logo on the box, but this is just a plain standard box. Not a big deal, but just an observation. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh my goodness gracious. Wow, this is the second time I have opened the box to be disappointed. I mean, I am stuck with this membership for the next year, so it is what it is, but I'm sharing with you guys my honest opinion and experience. So last month they actually messed up on my order and they didn't ship out like I think 3 of the items that I had ordered, yet they still charged me the same amount. And so I was like, what the heck? But luckily their customer service was good about taking care of that and fixing it. But now I open this box and I see the laundry detergent bag completely empty. It definitely, like, it looks like it might have opened up in here because there's like residue everywhere, but it's not like wet. So this must have been sitting like this for quite a while for all of this detergent to evaporate already. Because like you can see on the bags, I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but there's like some smudgy residue there. I think you can see more here. Like, I don't know if the camera's picking up, but it definitely spilled in here, but it's not wet. So this has been sitting in here, soaking for who knows how long. This is so disappointing. Oh my gosh. I've never, like, yes, their customer service is good. I'm gonna reach out and everything, but like, this is like, I'm just like, I've never had this experience like with products being shipped. It's bizarre. So I can't even try this. There's not even a single drop in here for me to test out. But this was the Grove Collaborative Ultra Concentrated Laundry Detergent in Citrus citrus and woods. We've tried one of them, like the super clean one, and I thought it was okay, and I wanted to give this another shot. I wonder where it leaked from. I can't even tell. I like the smell of it. It smells kind of musky, like manly, like a sexy, manly smell with a little bit of citrus. Like, it smells good. But I can't test it out now. Like, that's such a bummer. Whoa, 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 whoa. They had like this springtime set, and I think, I could be wrong, this wasn't exclusive for the VIPs, but they had this springtime limited edition Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day dish soap, hand soap with the scrubbers, I believe. These are the walnut and cellulose scrubber sponge. Johnny and I have been using these for the past several months, and I think they work great, so I was excited to get that again. They are like, not sticky, but there's like definitely like the laundry detergent residue all over this packaging. What the heck? So this is the fresh cut grass scent. I've never smelt it. I'm nervous. Mrs. Meyer's, I honestly feel like it's hit or miss with their scents. Okay, I like this. It literally smells like grass. It like smells like a green juice. That's what it smells like. Like a very green juice, like not fruity at all. You know those kind of green juices I'm talking about? This smells good. It just smells like grass. I know that sounds stupid. Obviously it's called fresh cut grass, Jackie, but you know what I mean. Like, sometimes it smells a little funky, but I actually like this scent. It's not bad. Oh, that hand soap smells weird though. It's the same exact scent. This smells like, wait, why does this smell good? This is like more subtle and it smells good. I smell grass. It smells like green juice. This smells like perfumey. Oh, that's like too strong. I like that this one is like a grass scent but more subtle. This is like super strong, and I don't really like that one. Obviously I'm gonna use it, but definitely prefer the dish soap. Anyways, the next thing I have in here are the Reusable Storage Bag Duo. So I thought these were so cute. Look at the little cactus. They're adorable. I definitely need to clean them because there's a bunch of laundry detergent residue all over this. But we have like this smaller bag here and then this bigger bag. So I constantly reuse Ziploc bags for frozen fruits, frozen veggies, and I just feel like it'd be smarter to invest in better quality reusable bags, and then I won't have to buy Ziploc bags as often. So these are super cute, and I'm going to test them out. Maybe use the big one for like my frozen bananas because that's what I have most of, and then I can use like the smaller one for veggies or blueberries or something like that. How cute. So if this goes well, I definitely would like to order more of these. The free item that I got in this order, it's all dented, which is fine, but this is from Rooted Beauty, which is their I think their skincare or their beauty line. This is the Rooted Beauty Sensitive 3-in-1 Micellar Cleansing Water with aloe and chamomile. So I thought this would be awesome to add to my skincare routine to remove my makeup. Micellar Cleansing Water is usually very, very gentle and soft on your skin, yet it removes all the dirt and all of the makeup from your skin. So I'm excited to try this out. And then also from Rooted Beauty, so that was like the free gift. This one I picked up. This is the Purifying Detox Scrub with white tea and calendula. I don't know what that is, but I always love a good detox scrub or any kind of exfoliator for my dry skin. So I wanted to test this out and see if it was good, so I can keep you guys posted on that. Picked up more of these 7th generation disinfecting wipes. These are awesome, especially for this one back here who has frequent accidents. So I'll usually grab these when she has like an accident. You getting comfy back there? I also picked up the Method Squirt and Mop Hard Floor Cleaner. So this is the second time I've ordered this. I tried a different scent this time around, but the first time I tried this out, I got like sage mint or something like that, and it was awesome. It was so easy and convenient to mop and clean the entire floor, especially after Zoe has had an accident or just my regular cleaning routine. Like, it was just so easy to take my mop, kind of squeeze this onto the floor as I'm mopping, and it was just easy breezy, and it made mopping like a piece of cake. So definitely wanted to pick this up again. So I'm a fan of this product, but I wanted to try a new scent. This is the ginger yuzu. I don't know what that is either, but let's smell it. Oh, this smells way better. Oh, so I didn't like hate the sage one. It was fine, but I love this scent way more than the other one that I got. This smells so good. Like, you smelled the ginger, but it's not like super strong and spicy. Like, oh, I don't know how to describe it. It smells really good though. Okay, I'm excited about this one. And then the last thing I ordered was the Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day Laundry Scent Boosters in Honeysuckle scent. Again, a different scent. I just wanted to try something new, and this is a scent I have not tried. We've tried these laundry boosters before, but just never have tried this scent, so I'm nervous. That was so strong. Okay, I would use a very little bit of this. This is very strong. Like, what does that smell? I don't know how to describe this scent. It's so freaking strong. The floral scent of honeysuckle is not only sweet and pleasant, it is believed to be soothing and cooling. Nice to think that these lovely blossoms lend an air of calm as you clean. It's definitely florally. Oh, that's so strong. I'm gonna use the tiniest bit of this when I do my laundry. We'll see how this goes, but that is intense. I don't think this is a scent I would repurchase. And that's what I'm telling you. I love Mrs. Meyer's products, but their scents are a hit or miss with me. So that is what I picked up. I'm definitely gonna reach out to their customer service because this is crazy disappointing. And just while we're on the topic of this laundry detergent, their laundry dispenser that I picked up in my last order, I am not a fan of. It pours the very smallest, littlest amount, and I feel like I'm waiting there forever trying to wait for the product to come out. And so and I feel like it doesn't even hold a lot either. And Johnny and I do laundry pretty frequently. For some reason, Johnny goes through clothes so quickly, and then this one, I have to wash her stuff at least twice a week. So I'm always doing laundry, and so having that little thing, I just feel like I always have to refill it. So I'm not a huge fan of it, but I can share more in a review video next week of past products that I've been trying out from Grove Collaborative. But yeah, this was pretty disappointing. But as far as everything else, they got my order correct this time, and so far so good. But as of right now, once my year ends, which I have all the way until April of 2021, but once my year is up, I don't think I will be renewing, even though it's just 20 bucks. But I think the excitement of Grove Collaborative was really ultimately in the first order, where you get all that free stuff. Yes, there's still free items that get sent every now and then with my order, but I know it's there's pros and cons, because I do think Grove Collaborative is super convenient to use, and it's really nice because cleaning products are something we're constantly going through and constantly using, and so why not just have this auto shipment of the same products that you're going through? So it makes sense. That is gonna be it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys are a VIP on Grove Collaborative, or if you've tried Grove Collaborative before, can you please share your experience in the comments below? Am I the only one who's had unfortunate experiences with the orders and my packages that I've received? I hope it's not a consistent thing on their website, because that would be unfortunate. But it is unfortunate that I've experienced this now 2 times in a row. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and if you'd like to see that video of my review on specific products that I have ordered in the past from Grove Collaborative, let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!